Okay, Sheikha, today we're going to make English assessment number 2. First, we're going to do letters and sounds. Okay, now I read you the instructions. Name the letter sound, point to the picture that starts with that sound and name the object. Okay, now you can start your assessment.
A for robot.
Great. Next.
For shark.
Great. This one.
T for tomato.
Good job. This one.
O for umbrella.
Good job. This one.
V for volcano.
Good job. This one.
W for whale.
Well done. This one.
X for X-ray.
Good job. This one.
Y for yo-yo.
Well done.
Z for zip.
Correct. Okay, this one. Now, reading CVC words. Say the sounds and then blend it to read the words.
T, cat.
Correct. This one.
P, N, pin.
Great. This one.
G, rat.
Good job. This one.
T, hat.
Well done. This one.
N, fin.
Great. This one.
N, man.
Great. This one.
Sun.
Good job. You're done. You did a great job. Thank you, Sheikha.